So next up, guys, got a real nice piece here. So this is actually got quite a few things in from a local concrete company, I guess, guys. All the things they've owned for a long time, taken really good care of. But this is a 2007 SOMERO Copperhead XD2.0 laser screed. They said everything works on it really well. Does have all the laser eyes. You'll have pictures of that. It's got a couple support kits with extra parts in them. It does have a new brain box, guys, but you do get the additional brain box as well. That'll be, you'll have pictures of all that, and another set of skinny wheels, but only 535 hours or so, guys, so really low houred. Mike doesn't run these a lot, but we'll kind of do our best just to give you kind of a nice video of it running around, but it does start right up. And they said everything works as it should, so. Choke it. There you go. Choke it a little bit, she'll fire right up there. But I know the guys said that this Copperhead laser screed is extremely good shape. So take that back up to him. Obviously, got your head there on the front. We're going to run it forward here for you. It does get that vibration going, guys. So the vibrator does work on it real good. Lights work too. You got lights in front. Strip them off there. Back on now. Rubber's in really good shape. Obviously low hours, well maintained. Look how to run. He's running that head up and down for you there. So there's just the demo, guys, of the 2007 SOMERO Copperhead XD 2.0 laser screed. Here's the extra pallet of parts and things too. I'll just kind of zoom in on that. But good luck, guys, with auction time and Old 20 Auctions.